Hey guys, welcome to Compai Studio. I'm going to give you guys a studio tour of my new studio. I was able to move into a much larger space, what really allows me to use my equipment the way that it's meant to be used. My last studio, it was just too small. It worked. It was the best that I could get at the time. It was a great learning curve for me. But in this new studio, I'm going to be able to really use my equipment, put out better content. Things are just going to improve. So with that being said, let me give you guys an idea of what I use camera-wise, how I set up my sets. But the big thing I want everybody to take away, if you're thinking about doing a YouTube channel, do what everybody else does. Don't do what I do. Just get an iPhone, download the Blackmagic camera app because it's better than the iPhone software. Use that and just do what everybody else does. Get yourself a good selfie stick and just start creating content. Get it out there. I prefer working out of a studio than working outside. It's just me. It's how I want to do my studio. So guys, let me show you the cameras I use, my switcher, my lighting, how I do things. Most people are familiar with seeing this set. This is the set that I use that I have. It's a 2-camera setup. I really enjoy just being able to come in, turn on lights, turn on equipment, hit all the presets on the cameras, and I can be doing a video in 10 minutes. So I can do a video from cameras on to finish uploading 2 hours. That's how quick I can get a video put out. But what am I shooting with? I'm a big Blackmagic fan. Now, most people have no idea what is Blackmagic. Blackmagic is a camera company that produces professional cameras. Like this camera right here, this is a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera. It's 4K. This is a Netflix approved movie camera. They shoot movies with this camera. Not the A camera, be the B camera or the C camera. So when you're watching a movie and the scene cuts away to a different angle, it would be a camera like this. So very popular. And I also have 2 studio cameras because I like to be able to do up to a 3-input video. 3 cameras and then a media input, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But this is a studio camera. They just stay here in the studio. This Pocket Cinema camera, I can take that anywhere. I can take that outside because it's got a good rig on it. It's set up to go anywhere. So coming in front of the camera, this is what I see. So when I'm filming. So to give you guys a little heads up, all I do is, and you can see me if you watch my eyes, guys, I'm actually looking at that lens, but I'm really watching here. You watch my eyes, I'm going between the two. And every once in a while, you'll see me look up at that big TV because what's on that big TV and then what's down here on this little video are the same. So basically that's just giving me a bunch of different information. It's showing me my 3 cameras down below. And it's showing that 1 square blank is actually my hyperdeck. So guys, let's get into exactly what is at the heart of my video, or my studio. It's this piece of equipment here. This is the ATEM Mini Pro ISO. This is, think of it, the brain. It's pretty much the control panel of my studio. This is where I do a lot of editing on the fly. So basically, I have 4 inputs. I have 3 cameras, and then the 4th input is this piece of equipment, which is called a hyperdeck. Basically, I can store media files. I can store video files. I can store still files. And what I can do is I can play them into the video live. I do that a lot when I do reaction videos on people, where I can actually stop, scroll back, scroll forward, right on the fly. So I'm not doing that in editing. I'm doing a lot of it here. And that's what this switcher enables me to do. It enables me to cut to different camera angles. It enables me to control my volume. And these two buttons here, when you see me go picture in picture, that's how I get pictures behind me. This throws up the media behind me, and then this button here actually makes me go into the little box. Then these buttons up here, we got one that works in cahoots with the media deck for me to bring in. I can just push this button and bring in video from the hyperdeck, record, and go live. This is how I can go live. And with this device in conjunction with another website, I can go live up to three different platforms at one time, like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So these are all my transitions. Right here where you see the nice cutaways. So what do I use to edit? I use an Apple Studio. I just like Apple. I have your typical Rode podcast mic. That's all we need. I have, for lighting, I have small rigs with the softbox and the different filter. I like this setup. I cannot wait to start having guests come into the studio where we can actually get everybody in frame correctly, get everybody correctly backlit. And that's why all these lights, all my logos are backlit to backlight me and my guests. So what I'm gonna be doing with this set is I'm gonna be doing a lot more interviewing people, not just people off the street, but people who actually have accomplished stuff here. My lawyer should be coming in Saturday, and we're going to talk about mortgages. So things that people really need to know: cedulars, how to get a cedula, how to do your permanent application for your cedula. There's so much information that nobody's really talking about. I have yoga mats on the floor, helps with the sound, enables me to run cables underneath them. And God forbid, I knock a camera over, I have a better shot of it not getting broke. Up top, those black squares, they just deaden the sound more. They're sound buffers. So yeah, that's just pretty much my little studio. I gotta have my nap section, my bar stool from Casa De Compai, because I have a balcony, so I go out there, smoke a cigar, Compai cigar. Nice having a little kitchen, and nice having a bathroom in here as well. So this is Compai Studios. This is where I'm going to be doing all my filming now. New setup. Things are looking good. Things are able to be utilized correctly. So guys, I appreciate you watching. Always remember, keep private personal and personal private, and peace out. There's a lot of places to rent in Sosua. If you're looking for peaceful, affordable, and tranquil, look at Casa De Compai, Sosua's hidden gem. When you're ready to reserve at Casa De Compai, my contact information is in the description down below.